Are Cubans really happy with Castro's system? Or are they desperately hoping for change? That depends on whom you ask. Lots of Cubans are jumping at the chance to go into business for themselves. Despite 50 years of socialism, Cubans still love to make a buck. These guys want capitalism back, and fast. Manuel, on the other hand, has been repairing shoes on this street corner for most of 10 years. His clients drop them off, then pick them up a few days later when he sends word they're done. His old sewing machine doesn't require electricity, so he has very little overhead. And he employs his 2 sons. They mostly resole shoes, using old bicycle inner tubes. Dad still keeps a watchful eye on them. Despite his years of experience, Manuel barely makes ends meet. And there are substantial fees. The equivalent of fixing 320 pairs of shoes each year. But as hard as things are now, Manuel's not sure he wants the system to change. The state plans to lay off 1 million employees and dump them onto the private sector. That's a lot of competition. Manuel is clearly an entrepreneur, and yet when people forget to pick up their shoes, he doesn't sell them. It's capitalism, Cuban style, with a human touch.